Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I will be showing you a very easy brown smoky eye makeup look with glitter. If you're a beginner, you can follow along with me step by step, as this look is perfect for a special occasion and it's super gorgeous. If you'd like to try this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. For this eye makeup look, you will only need a brown eyeshadow. Choose either a dark or light brown based on your preference and apply to your entire eyelid using a blending brush with sweeping motions. If you're using a dark brown, gradually add more shadow and blend until you reach your desired intensity. I also use a fluffy brush, commonly known as a crease brush, for this purpose. One of the great things about brown eyeshadow is how easily it blends, so I take my time blending in this step to ensure there are no harsh lines. After I've applied the eyeshadow evenly across my eyelid, I increase the intensity of the color at the outer corners, so add more shadow to the outer edge of your eyelid. Use a small flat brush to apply the brown eyeshadow to your lower lash line. Start from the outer corner and extend it to the middle of the lower lash line, or you can extend it further based on your preference. Next, use gold glitter. You can choose either loose glitter or a gold glitter eyeshadow for this step. First, I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. Then I take a small brush to apply the glitter to the inner corner of my eyelid. Following the natural shape of my eye, we can apply the glitter higher on the inner corner to create the illusion of larger eyes. Also, if your glitter is loose, make sure to apply glitter glue to your eyelid beforehand or use a damp brush to help with the application. This eye makeup look is very easy yet professional. You can use your favorite eyeshadow palette to choose the shades. However, I will include the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I also apply a little bit of gold glitter to my lower lash line. It looks really beautiful and sparkly. To finish the eye makeup, I apply eyeliner and extend it to the middle of my eyelid. You can adjust the thickness of your eyelid based on your preference, extending it to the inner corner if you like. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. At the end, this eye makeup look is incredibly attractive, beautiful and easy, making it perfect for special occasions. If you found this eye makeup look helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss any future videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.